Here's one for dreamers who took that step. Here's one for every time they jumped without a net. Here's one for misfits.
Really? What's up? Oh, there's someone who got birthday. That's so nice. That was crazy.
I need to lose weight.
Yeah, you need to lose weight so you can eat more.
Okay, see, there is a bus coming in.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay guys, natapos na din kaming kumain guys. Oh, may bus pala.
See how it works? It's a bus, you go in. It's transport.
Shut up. I thought it's like, because I've not seen a bus the whole day. Anyway, natapos na din kaming kumain guys. Ang name ng restaurant, what was the name of the restaurant natin?
Pasha.
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 Grabe yung pagkain na na-order namin guys. Parang pang-family yata. Yung isang order. Bali yung unsay tawag ni basta kanang okay ako gi-order guys kay murag kanang seafood mixed seafood plate, something like that. And then
Mixed grill for me.
oh, puro mix. Pagdating ng pagkain, sobrang laki. It feels like it's intended for many people na kakain, hindi lang for one person. Kaya yung mga nag-serve pa, parang I could hear the discussion at the back. Sila pa nag-order nito? Sila ba? Baka mali. Ganun. And then when it was put in front, I'm just like, oh my God. But anyway, ano siya? Hindi ko naubos, pero almost. Pero ngayon, ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Ang dami ko kinain. What was that?
I don't know.
You can really tell that you are thirsty. You're out vegan. But generally speaking, they're actually nice, no? These people.
Yeah.
When they smile, they're actually charming. Anyway, so yeah.
That's what you feel.
Huh?
That's what you feel.
Yeah, that's what I feel. Like, no, actually, I think they're actually nice. Anyway, so yung dami naman kinain. Ngayon maglalakad kami pa uwi. Sana ka nang maano na ba ka nang ma-digest na dayog-dali ang gikaon. Yung murag sakit-sakit yung tiyan ani. Kig. Mga stuffed toy nakasabit. Kita nyo ba? Do you got your phone with you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, look at that. It's all stuffed toy. See? But there's nobody there. In a way, it's actually a bit creepy. Don't you think?
Very quick.
My God, so much nice things. Pero careful tayo kasi meron pa tayong tomorrow. And then Thursday pa uwi na. Tapos gusto ko talagang bumili ng bag dito ba. Martin, how are you? Oh, you're thirsty. That was crazy. Anyway, you know how much is... I paid 180 all in all.
Så 40 kroner.
40 kroner, okay.
Mindre end 40 kroner.
Fine. At least, naka-try tayo bumili sa parang, ano nila dito, Mart. Small convenience store. Uwi na tayo. Ano na tayo guys, uwi na tayo sa hotel natin. Ang ginaw dito grabe naman talaga. Pero si Mart hindi siya giniginaw, ako lang talaga yung giniginaw. Ewan ko ba? Okay, now we're crossing. Careful. So, yeah, ito yung ano nila dito. Pag umaga, sobrang init. Pag gabi naman, sobra namang ginaw. Dami magagandang tao dito guys, as in. Yung kinainan namin kanina, parang ang mga tao, hindi na nga ako nag-video talaga kasi medyo nahiya ako kasi parang ang social ng mga tao dun ba. So, binidyohan ko lang yung food ko tapos yung magmumukbang sana ako pero not yet. Magmumukbang sana ako pero hindi ko na lang ginawa. Nahiya ako konti. Konti lang naman. So now, oh my God. Hold it. So yun, nasa bahay na kami guys, and now i-close ko na ang vlog na ito kasi para makapag-relax naman tayo, ganon. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you again next time.